Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we'll take a close look at the function f of x and show, step by step, that its derivative simplifies beautifully to cosec³x. Grab a pen and let's work through the calculus together. First, separate f of x into two easier pieces. We'll differentiate each term individually, then add the results. Rewrite with cosecant.
Notice cosec(x) is the reciprocal of sin of x.
So we can write. Apply the product rule. Compute each derivative. Put it together. Simplify. Express cos²x in terms of cosec. Write the derivative formula. Chain rule for the tangent. Use the double angle identity. Final expression for the derivative of h. Now add the results. The half cosc² terms cancel, leaving the clean answer. That's it. We've taken a fairly complicated expression, applied the product, chain, and quotient rules, and arrived at a tidy cosec³x. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more calculus deep dives. Thanks for watching.